My name is Hunter Peterson. Mr. Peterson, I am the engineering teacher here at Williamsfield High School, and I teach Introduction to Engineering. So Introduction to Engineering is built around a core philosophy of using the engineering design process, a 6-step system, to construct out your designs or your ideas. And as you progress through that, you'll then use 3D modeling software to familiarize yourself with those ideas, and then learn to deconstruct those ideas using reverse engineering with all of your knowledge from 3D software, culminating in a final project second semester building something known as an automata, which will be a 3-month project of both 3D software, constructive, and reverse engineering.
My name is Devin Adams, and I teach Photo 1 here as part of our CTE program at Williamsfield. Half of the class is teaching you how to use cameras, similar to the one here in my hand, which we have enough for everyone in the class. The other half is learning how to use Adobe photo editing programs like Lightroom. It's a great class. It's very unique because it's one of the only electives that's dual enrollment, which means that you get college credit for taking this class. And you can do that 2 years in a row if you'd like. After the first year, you can also do a yearbook. So we have a lot of really great programs here in the school and inside of digital photography.
Hi, my name is Bill McDonald. I am the first-year criminal justice teacher at Williamsfield High School. I teach Introduction to Criminal Justice. Our course is a dual enrollment course, which means you can earn up to 6 college credits simply by showing up, taking my class, and passing what they see or higher. During this first-year course, we cover all aspects of the criminal justice system, from law enforcement to the courts to corrections and everything in between. We not only sit and learn about these things, but we try to get out and do hands-on activities. So you will learn things such as handcuffing, riot control, how to administer field sobriety tests, how to conduct traffic stops. Everything that you might associate with the police department and law enforcement, you will learn in this class. After this class, there are 2 additional years in our criminal justice program in which you can earn an additional 14 to 15 credit hours. That's about it.
So in Intro to Marketing, students get a really cool experience with market days where they actually get to create a business from the ground up. So they are picking a product they want to sell, they are writing a full business proposal on how they're going to sell this product. Other things that we get to learn about are just core marketing concepts, right? Marketing is truly everywhere that you go in your life. You're always going to try to sell yourself or something that you want to sell. Other things that we get to do is we get to run virtual cities, create sports teams. So the sports teams is a lot of fun. I got a lot of athletes that enjoy that project, and just people in general, right? And you're like, hey, I don't want to do a sports team. I want to create a dance studio. I want to create a music center. Do it. Like whatever you guys want to do. Like my class, the Intro to Marketing class, is truly based on what you guys want to do. Other things are you get to have a lot of fun, right? We play Monopoly. You guys get to learn just basic principles of business by playing Monopoly. We play Monopoly for a month every single year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ishman, and I teach video production here at Williamsfield High School. For the incoming freshmen, you will be enrolled in Video Production 1, where you will learn basic film and video production practices like how to set up a camera, camera settings, basic camera shots, camera angles, composition, lighting, script writing. So a lot of different projects for you to do. So come on in, come join us, and we'll be happy to have you.
Hi, my name's Elena. I took Intro to Graphic Design. A few of the things that you will do in this course is you will learn how to use Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign and Adobe Express. If you continue going through Graphic 4, you will learn how to use printers and how to work in the print shop. And you'll actually make real things, like you'll make posters for sports and everything. It's really fun. I would say if you're doing graphic design in the future and you have that idea, definitely take this course because it will help you get set up for the future.
In computer science, 1 principles, it's a good starting point for having to learn where to code. It's not only coding, some people think it's being able to use computers. We get at the start of the year we got taught how to use computers more effectively, different parts of the computer and what they do, the names of what they do. It's also a good starting point if you're trying. It's not only well, it's also a good starting point for other things. Like if you're trying to go into like statistics or data, which is what we are currently focusing on, it would be good to, that's just a good starting point.
Hello, my name is Kylie Burge and I teach stagecraft/technical theater. This class is great for students who maybe like to be artistic, they like theater, they like to be maybe bossy and want to come be a stage manager or a director. This is a great class for kids who might want to learn how to sew, how to build, how to use microphones, lights, and run a full production, as well as kids who might want to work in the movie industry or production in general one day.